Hello, madam. Today we are going to present about trigonometry in sports. Okay, our group members are Levanesh Kumar Analalaki Yogarajan,
Yes, I have.
and then Kabilan Analalaki Tamilarsu is me, madam. Vineshan Analalaki Manikam,
Hello, madam.
and the last one Deva Sandhiran Analalaki Anbarasan.
Hello, madam.
Okay. Okay. Firstly, it's introduction of trigonometry. Trigonometry, as the name might suggest, is all about triangles. More specifically, trigonometry is about right-angled triangles where one of the internal angles is 90 degrees. Trigonometry is a system that helps us to work out missing or unknown side lengths or angles in a triangle. Trigonometry is known for many identities. This trigonometry identity is usually used for the purpose of simplifying expressions, finding more useful forms of expressions, or solving equations. Moreover, it measures the length of the sides of sets of similar right-angled triangles and find the ratio of sides. Thus, it investigates the relationship between these ratios and the angle size. It uses calculators or tables to find the sine, cosine and tangent of angles. More items. Trigonometry, the branch of mathematics concerned with specific function of angle and their application to calculations. There are 6 functions of angle commonly used in trigonometry. Their names and observations are sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant and cosecant. And now it's about introduction trigonometry in sports. Many sports involve trigonometry. Almost in every sport, for example, basketball, to score the perfect free throw. Trigonometry is used to get to correct angle, in golf to get the ball, in rugby to score a goal. Moreover, today we are going to present mainly about football and basketball. Trigonometry can help determine the angle to kick or throw the ball depends on the height of the goal line.
Now we present about trigonometry in football. Before we going about trigonometry in football, we can learn about basic formula of trigonometry. This is the basic formula of this trigonometry. And then this is a trigonometrical identity.
Okay, this is our type of model for trigonometry, and this is the example that we can provide. This is our model that we created, and this is the method that we use to calculate trigonometry. For example, for this question, we have to find the hypotenuse first, then we can calculate tan A, sin A, and cos A. After calculating that, we have to minus overall 180 degrees minus 90 degrees, and the answer we get for tan A, sine and cos. So the answer will be as shown as B equals to 180 minus 90 minus 5.48 degree equals to 84.52.
And now it is about trigonometry in basketball. This is a question about basketball. A basketball player spot the front of the rim of a basketball hoop at an angle of elevation of 228.2. If the player's eyes are located 4.5 feet above the ground, find the horizontal distance between the basketball player and the front of the rim. Now this is the method for the calculate the trigonometry of basketball. Height of the player eyes and the ring of basketball of between 10 feet minus 4.5 feet equals to 5.5 feet. The horizontal distance between the basketball player and front of the ring. Sin 28.2 equals to 5.5 over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse equal to 5.5 over sin 28.2 equals to 11.64 feet. The basketball player is 11.64 feet away from the front of the ring. Last but not least, the conclusion are we realize that trigonometry can be used in many areas such as astronomy and architecture. They can aid in calculating many things. They can also be used in car, desk and benches. Without really climbing a tree, you can find the height easily with trigonometry. They can be so widely used in real life applications and is very useful for most architecture and astronomies. And then we can conclude that without trigonometry, life would be much more difficult. Without going through the troubles, you can easily find some things. So we think that it was a good inventor by Archimedes, and thanks to these many Archimedes and need not go through the trouble to calculate things. So it really helps in real life application and not only in our tests and exam. Thank you for hearing our presentation. This is our presentation that we made about trigonometry. Thank you, madam.